Tell me again if you've been in a race car.
I've never been in a race car.
A real one?
No,
Never?
never.
You like it?
Yeah,
You want Cammy to pick you up in it again?
yeah,
Were you excited when you saw it and realized it was there to pick you up?
yeah.
Wow.
And I want you to pick me up all the time in here.
Yeah?
Yeah,
What did your teacher say when she saw the car?
nice. It's so nice.
Oh, that was nice of her.
And the teacher was holding my hand. That's my teacher.
It is?
Her name is Mrs. Westball.
Oh, is that right?
And she has another teacher. It's called Mrs. Chi.
Mm-hmm.
And there's 2 more teachers. I don't know the names.
Really?
2 more teachers. I have 4 teachers.
Wow, how many teachers you got?
4?
4?
Yeah.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
Because I have Mrs. Westball, Mrs. Chi, and 2 plus 2, so that makes 4.
Wow.
2 plus 2 equals 4.
It does? Wow, that's pretty cool.
And 3 plus 3 equals 6.
Oh my goodness, you're so smart.
5 plus 5 equals 10.
Wow, you're really smart. What grade are you in?
Kindergarten.
Kindergarten. You're so smart.
And 7 plus 7 equals...
What's 7 plus 7?
Hold on.